Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a complete tutorial on Leonardo AI, your go-to tool for creative AI image generation. Whether you're a beginner or looking to master advanced techniques, this guide will walk you through everything from the basics to pro tips. Stick around, and by the end, you'll be creating stunning images like a pro. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Leonardo AI? Well, it's an advanced AI-driven platform designed to help you create stunning images, videos, and other digital content through machine learning algorithms. It's perfect for artists, designers, and content creators. Leonardo AI's unique strength lies in its ability to generate high-quality visuals from text prompts, making it a powerful tool for digital content creation. Now let's explore how you can use Leonardo AI, starting with the basics, and then we'll dive into advanced features that let you unlock its full potential. To start using Leonardo AI, you'll need to create an account. Head over to their website and click Sign Up. You'll need to enter your email, set up a password, and verify your email address. If you already have an account, simply log in. A quick tip: use a password manager for convenience and security. Once you're in, this is what your dashboard will look like. It's user-friendly, and all the key features are accessible from the left-hand menu. From here, you can explore the platform's capabilities, like creating new projects, generating images, and even exploring pre-made templates. Before we dive deeper, let's take a moment to explore the settings to customize your workspace for the best experience. Now, let's familiarize ourselves with the Leonardo AI interface. On the left, you have the main menu where you can create a new project, upload your own images, and access the Explore tab to see what others have created. The text-to-image feature is where the magic happens. Here, you can enter any descriptive text, and Leonardo AI will generate an image based on your input. The image-to-image feature is great for making adjustments to your existing pictures, and the Projects area helps you organize all your creative work into neat folders for easy access. With your workspace organized, let's move on to generating your first AI art piece. Let's create our first image using the text-to-image feature. Click on Text-to-Image, and you'll see a text box where you can type your description. For example, let's type, "A serene sunset over a calm ocean with vibrant colors and gentle waves." Now, here's a pro tip. Try to be specific with your prompts. For instance, add details like golden reflections on water or soft pink and orange hues in the sky. This will help the AI understand your vision better. As you can see, Leonardo AI produces a variety of images based on the same prompt. You can adjust settings like resolution and style to get different results. Lower resolutions are faster for drafts, while higher ones produce more detailed images. Let's try another prompt with more detail. A mystical forest with ancient trees covered in glowing moss and a stream of crystal clear water running through. With each image, you can choose between artistic and realistic styles, adjust the aspect ratio for landscape or portrait images, and even fine-tune details like shadows and lighting. The more you play around with these settings, the better you'll get at guiding the AI to match your creative vision. I have provided the link in the description. Click on it and create a free account for awesome creations. Now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to some advanced techniques. Leonardo AI allows you to fine-tune images by adjusting parameters like style, theme, and color palette. This is especially useful if you're looking for a specific aesthetic. Let's explore how adjusting these settings can change the look and feel of our images. Leonardo AI excels in generating high-quality, photorealistic images using artificial intelligence. It allows users to create artwork, illustrations, and graphics effortlessly by providing textual prompts. Users can specify styles, elements, and other characteristics to customize the output, which is particularly useful for artists, designers, and marketers. One standout feature of Leonardo AI is its ability to animate static images. Users can turn their images into engaging videos by applying different effects and transitions, making it ideal for creating dynamic social media content or video presentations. The tool supports fine-tuning animation parameters for a more customized look and feel. Leonardo AI provides users with the option to fine-tune AI models based on their needs. This feature is beneficial for those who require specific styles or outputs for their projects. Users can train models on their own datasets, ensuring that the generated content aligns closely with their vision. The platform offers a variety of pre-designed templates and style options, making it easy to start generating content without requiring technical expertise. Users can quickly select a template that matches their desired aesthetic and adjust the details to achieve their desired outcome. The interface is designed for ease of use, allowing beginners to navigate through the tool smoothly. It provides intuitive controls and settings for prompt adjustments and model customization. The tool includes guided tutorials and helpful prompts, ensuring that users can maximize its potential without a steep learning curve. Leonardo AI is known for its quick rendering times, even for complex prompts and high-resolution images. This allows users to generate and refine content efficiently. It produces outputs in high resolution, suitable for professional use in marketing, branding, social media, and more. The platform supports community engagement where users can share their work, view others' creations, and collaborate on projects. It also provides options to collaborate with team members, which is beneficial for agencies or creative groups working on joint projects. Leonardo AI integrates with various design and productivity software, making it easier to include generated content in broader creative workflows. This feature is particularly useful for users looking to streamline their content creation processes by automating specific tasks within their existing software ecosystem. Users can export their generated content in multiple formats, such as images, GIFs, and videos. This versatility makes it suitable for use across different platforms and media types. It ensures compatibility with social media channels, websites, and digital marketing campaigns. Leonardo AI supports prompt input in various languages, making it accessible to a global audience. This feature enables users from different regions to generate content that aligns with their cultural and linguistic preferences. One powerful feature here is the ability to control style strength. This dictates how closely the AI sticks to your prompt versus adding its own artistic flair. A lower style strength gives you more control, while a higher setting allows the AI to be more creative. Let's also experiment with the mood setting. This allows you to add an emotional tone to your images, like making them feel more mystical, dreamy, or dramatic. This is a game changer if you want your visuals to tell a specific story. Leonardo AI also lets you transform existing images. This is perfect for enhancing your photography or turning simple sketches into polished artwork. You can adjust parameters like artistic depth and color saturation to get the desired effect. This tool is great for photographers and artists who want to add a creative twist to their existing work. Want to convert a pencil sketch into a full-fledged colored illustration? No problem. Simply upload the sketch and watch as Leonardo AI breathes life into it. If you're working on a big project, batch generation can save you a ton of time. Instead of generating images one by one, you can input multiple prompts and let the AI create them simultaneously. This is ideal for content creators who need a large volume of images quickly. Let's set up a batch job using 5 different prompts for social media graphics. After running the batch, you can review all the images in the Projects tab, make tweaks to any individual image, and export them to your preferred format. It's like having your own AI-powered creative assistant. Once you're happy with your images, it's time to export them. Leonardo AI supports multiple formats like JPG, PNG, and even high-resolution TIFFs for professional use. Simply click Download, select your preferred format, and save the image to your device. Now, let's cover some common troubleshooting tips. If your image doesn't match your prompt, try using more specific language or adjusting the style strength. And if your image takes too long to generate, lower the resolution or try a simpler style. Remember, practice makes perfect, and that's a complete walkthrough of Leonardo AI. From basic text-to-image generation to advanced image editing and batch creation, you're now ready to create stunning visuals with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth guides, and let me know in the comments what you'll be creating with Leonardo AI. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.